Hi, I'm Steph Beckett with rAVe Pubs. I'm here before the first day of ISE doing pre-show interviews. Do you mind introducing yourself for me?
I'm Bruce. I'm from the SAE in Amsterdam. That's the School of Audio Engineering.
Awesome.
And we give courses in audio production for all sorts of things. So for us it's very nice because it's an audio-visual school. We also do courses in film production. So for us it's really nice to come here, and I always bring the students today because today's the Audio Forum, which has been today. So we went all day to the Audio Forum.
Yeah, you said you're here with your students. How has that been so far?
Yeah, they're good. There's adult education, so we're doing university courses, so they're all grown up, so to speak. So for them it's really nice because it's really inspiring to see what's going on, and I thought Duncan's speech was awesome. He was really great, and they all said to me that's really inspiring to hear somebody talk like that and to motivate you like that as well, which is...
Speaking of this speech, was there anything that he touched on that you felt like you could really take and use in your classes?
Not so much probably in my classes, but just generally in my work atmosphere. Yeah, that negativity. Yeah, if you come up with a new idea, well, one thing with audio is everybody. If you come up with a new sound, everybody goes, "Ooh, that's a new sound." No, don't like that. Then you give them an original sound. They go, "Oh yeah, that's the sound we know and we love." Yes. So what Duncan was saying was, "Hey, no, use that sound that people go ooh." To, because by the fifth time of asking, they're going to really like it, and maybe you can get something famous out of it.
And say yes and instead of no because.
Yeah, no, yeah, exactly, and that was really nice. Yeah, he interacted with the public fantastically, and got everybody involved, which was really nice.
Is there anything on the show floor that you are excited to take your students to see, or anything that you are personally excited to see?
Well, we'll be here on Friday. Luckily now, in years before, the audio was all sort of spread around, but now all the audio goes to Hall 7. So we'll be in Hall 7. I'm going to meet a lot of old friends and connections. And for me, networking's a really important part of audio, especially here in Holland. So it was really nice today to see a lot of old friends. Wednesday, we're going to the Yamaha cocktail party in the Okura Hotel. So, yeah, that's going to be good. Yeah, exactly. I'll be taking the students to that. It could be a bit messy, but that's the nice things we do at the school. And it gets them networking as well. And hopefully when they finish the course, because they're doing a bachelor's degree in audio production, when they finish the course they can actually go out and find a job because they know all the people in the industry and can work on that sort of thing as well. So
that's so useful. And since you're local, how will this look for you next year, since ISE is changing location?
We're all crying about it. Cairo is crying about it today. A lot of the expeditioners like to come to Amsterdam. They're moving because it is too small, because it's just got too big.
Yeah.
And Amsterdam it isn't any bigger, so I think a lot of the vibe will disappear. Obviously this year very different with coronavirus. You can see there's not a lot of people here this evening, which is a shame. Usually there would be more people here. I've been here like 5-6 years, and I always come here with the students because I always tell them I'm going to buy them dinner. But obviously I don't, because it's free, but they all think I'm really cool and they all stay, and then they realise it's free. So next year we'll see. Hopefully I like Barcelona. We have a school there as well, so there's the same course going there. So for them it's great, and maybe we can go and stay with some of the students and have a nice cheap few days in Barcelona and see the show.
Any product in particular that you're excited to see in action?
Well, I'm a big Dolby Atmos guy, so 3D sound. So hopefully there'll be a lot of home cinemas that you can go and experience 3D sound with different speakers. So that's going to be really nice. And we were at the D&B Technique. They've got a new lower mid-range cardioid line array. So we talked about it today, so we'll be able to go and see that tomorrow and the rest of the week. So looking forward to that as well.
Well, thank you so much for taking the time to speak to me.
Yeah, it's no problem at all. Anytime you're welcome.